Hey everybody, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Day and I am finished with cooking and church and gift wrapping and presents, and I found one thing that hadn't been opened. So Merry Christmas to me. I thought I'd just share because I don't know what's in here except for it is the Ofra mystery box. So Ofra, every once in a while they'll have a mystery box and they'll send me an email, and I got such a great one last time that I decided to do it again. They have free shipping with $40, so I had to get a liquid lip, and that's how I do my Ofra is my favorite liquid lipstick. So this time I picked up, this is Las Vegas. It's what I'm wearing now. It's pretty much a neon purple, which would, well, it's an orchid, which would be excellent for the summertime. And I do like it. It kind of reminds me of a Jeffree Star. I don't know if it reminds me of Purple Urkel or, I'm not sure, but I just love the formula better. So it is my #1 all-time favorite liquid lip. So when they have a mystery box, I'll pick one of these up. A lot of times, like Aruba right now is on sale. That's like a peachy champagne metallic. That's great. I really like their metallic liquid lips, but I also do like all their mattes. And this was one to add to my collection. So anyways, here is my mystery box. And let's see what we got here. Oh, child-proof packaging. I need to get a razor blade. Excuse me. Okay, that's better. Let's see what we got here. Thank you for shopping with Ofra. So I have, if you've been watching my videos, I have decided, you probably already know, I've canceled my Boxycharm, which cancels my Boxylux, which I was also subscribed to, and I got off the Boxy Premium wait list because I just decided that I would rather buy mystery boxes from brands I like, such as Ofra, Jeffree Star, Beautylish. Any brand that has a mystery box, that's the way I'm going to go because I know for sure that I'm going to like the items that I get. Boxycharm, just for me, just had too many brands I'd never heard of or just things I wasn't interested in or anyway. So this is my Boxycharm substitute, is my Ofra mystery box. So let's see what we got. Okay. Now how much was this? I think this box was $35, if I remember correctly. The last one was, I think, $25. I might be wrong about that. I'm going to double check, but they do vary in price. So I think this one was $30. I don't know. I'll leave it in the description how much this box was. But anyways, okay, let's see what we got. The first thing I got is, it looks like a blush. This is Ollie Need Is Love. Okay, now this is a really pretty terracotta brush. I actually got this blush in the last Ofra mystery box that I bought. So this is a repeat. This is the exact same blush that they sent me in the last box. So, okay, so now I've got 2 of them. But it is really pretty, if I can get it open here. Ollie Need Is Love, and it is a very peach, and peach is my favorite. It's a peach matte blush, and that would also be good for the eyes as well, but that is that's a duplicate of one in the last mystery box, but I'm not mad about it. I do like a terracotta blush. Okay, next I got, oh, what do we got? We got an eyeliner. Okay, I have never tried an Ofra eyeliner. This is in turquoise, and I'm very happy to have this, and that is a real pretty turquoise. I've never tried Ofra. It's very soft, and very pigmented, so that is very pretty. So that is the Turquoise. That is a very soft eyeliner, so I definitely will use that. Very pretty turquoise blue. What does it say? I can't read it. It doesn't say waterproof or anything like that, but it seems to be like a kohl eyeliner. Very nice. Very happy to try. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, we've got some Ofra Cleanse It Off. You love your glam, but you also love taking it off. 100% cotton lip wipes, 15 pieces. All right. Well, I've never tried these before either. Usually my Ofra liquid lip, I just let it wear off, but that's nice. They feel pretty moist too. They feel kind of. That's nice. I've never had lip wipes. I thought they were makeup wipes. I'm sure you could use it for more than just your lips. You could probably use it for your eyes as well. So that's interesting. Okay, next we got a highlighter. Okay, let's see what that one is. This is Star Island. Okay. Okay, I guess I'm done with Ofra mystery boxes. This is the exact highlighter that I got in my last mystery box. I also got Star Island. So, anyway, so now I've got 2 duplicates of that too. Well, this might wind up on eBay along with the blush, because I've got 2. Let's see. But it is a very pretty highlighter. I'm not mad. But this mystery box is just like the last mystery box I got, except for the wipes and the eyeliner. Okay, so here's Star Island. It's a really pretty, I don't want to swatch it because I might not keep it. But anyways, it's a real pretty champagne-y, it's gorgeous. But I already have one, I don't need 2. So anyways, there we go, another dupe. Okay, and then last but not least, we have a Long Lasting liquid lipstick. Now let's hope this is a color I don't have. But the lipsticks I will use up. Okay, and this one is in Amsterdam. Okay, I do not have Amsterdam. So that's good. Let's see what this looks like. Whoa. What is that? That is kind of almost a plummy gray. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. That's pretty. I actually really like that. Yes, I do like that. Okay, so Amsterdam I do not have. I look forward to trying it. So that's it. That was a pretty good box. I mean, if you didn't have these items, I just happened to have these items. But Amsterdam, I mean, their liquid lip, that is my all-time favorite, so I'll use that. The Ollie Need Is Love Terracotta Blush, the Star Island Highlighter, and that's nice. I mean, these are full-size products. They're not samples, so these are really nice. They're 10 grams of product a piece, so it is a full-size item for the mystery box. Then your Turquoise eyeliner, very pretty, and then your lip wipes. So that was a good box. A lot of dupes in that one for me. So yeah. Anyways, that's it for the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie. Please like, subscribe, leave me a comment. If you've gotten some Ofra mystery boxes recently, did you get dupes as well? Let me know in the comments. And I'm fixing to do the top 10 items that if I could only keep 10 makeup items. So look for that next. All right, thanks a lot, y'all. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.